Hey, it's Heather with WTI. Watering my living wall was a whole mess. Literally. Apparently my plants like consistent care and not chaos. So finally I tried this RAINPOINT automatic watering system, and honestly it solved the entire situation. So much so that I did it twice. The main unit can handle up to 20 plants, but the product only comes with setup for 10 plants. So if you want to go full plant hoarder mode and hit 20, you're gonna need their extension kit. This comes with 2 different sizes of tubing. Just make sure that you're using the smaller tubing for the drip stakes that go in the soil, or you might end up with leaks. And seriously push the connections together like you're committing to something for once. Otherwise, leaks. And listen to that. It's the noise of my plants finally getting the stability that I refuse them. Ever since I installed it, the plants stay hydrated top to bottom. You can also add a soil sensor, which will let you know how your plants are actually doing. If you also need technology to notify you when you're being a neglectful plant parent. The app is super easy. You can tweak the watering schedules anytime, or if your plant's being dramatic, you can just give it a drink with the push of this button right here manually. I hung mine here. Yes, I know they're upside down, but I did that on purpose because I wanted it to get optimal sunlight. This nice adjustable hanger makes it so that you can aim it toward the best sunlight. And I keep a little tub of water nearby so that it has enough for multiple waterings. Anyway, I highly recommend. If I can keep plants alive with this thing, literally anyone can. And that's my point of view.